flights to the great city planet Coruscant. And be sure to explore the skyways and byways of the megalopolis that never sleeps, Imperial City. The streets are alive with state-sanctioned excitement at every hour of the day and night.
I've been programmed to ensure that nothing escapes my notice. You can all fly easy, knowing that I am your last line of defense.
Keep the line moving. Don't even think about trying to get away with anything. I'm watching you. Oh.
How many behind?
And into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat. Restraint, use the yellow strap to pull the belt out from the right side of the seat and snap the belt into the buckle on your left.
Yeah, I did.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What? Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention. All transport hold for security clearance.
The stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly have a spy.
Oh my God!
Blast them!
Where are we going? Don't you dare make the jump that I see. Where are we now? A walking planet. Imperial troopers put a lake here. I'm afraid you're not really allowed to be there. Arthur, hit the brakes! It worked! Not this way, Arthur! I'm sorry! Hang on! The transmission. Now what?
Star Tours. I've been looking for you.
Ahsoka Tano, greetings.
3PO. R2. You're traveling with a friend of mine that has vital information for the rebellion.
The spy. I knew it.
Head to the rendezvous point I'm sending you. Good luck, Star Tours. And may the Force be with you.
Just a moment, Arthur. Let us consider this. I don't like the look of this. Yes, I do believe these are purple. Purple are the legendary space whales. Quite extraordinary. And so green. Oh no!
Star Tours. See what gets one here. Good, use some help.
Oh, we need to never end.
Glad to appreciate the help. Safe travels. Good to see you again, R2.
This team 401, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I hope you have enjoyed your flight at
That's my ship.
On behalf of the Star Wars, thank you for joining us.
You know what I'm explaining to them.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors.